today I would like to introduce Nancy and Mel Suddeth. They've been customers of mine for almost 20 years, and I really appreciate following along with some of their adventures. I call them a friend, and we've had a lot of good stories over the years, and I am just bringing them on to kind of share their journeys and adventures with us. I'd like Mel to go ahead and introduce himself.
Good morning, I'm Mel Suddeth. We've been in RVing. We've had two different RVs, a 34-foot diesel, front-end diesel, and now we've graduated to a 40-foot rear-end diesel pusher, and we're looking for a 36-foot to move back down a bit.
And Nancy?
I'm Nancy. I'm a retired Army nurse. I'm a nurse practitioner. I started RVing in 2012, camped as a child. My parents had a camper, and during the winter we generally ski. I used to work at White Pass as volunteer in the aid room.
Great. Some of the notable things I liked about Mel and Nancy, and part of Nancy's adventure is she's a cancer survivor, and Mel had a heart operation done and had, what was it called?
TAVR.
A TAVR valve put in, and both of them didn't let that slow them down. And a little quote Nancy shared on her Facebook page that I followed years ago said, someone with terminal cancer once said, "Don't be sad for me. We all come into this world to be a tourist and enjoy life going sightseeing. Do good deeds just so happens to leave earlier than others." Nancy and Mel have been sightseeing for as long as I've known them and just enjoy the world. And they have so many wonderful stories to tell. They probably have forgotten more sights than I've had an opportunity to see. And I just admire that about them. And I kind of live vicariously through them because I follow Mel and Nancy on Facebook. And they've seen some things that I just dream about getting an opportunity to bring my grandkids someday to see these wonderful sights in the United States.